Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about manual pump practice and how beginners can learn to use a manual pump comfortably and correctly. Before starting, always wash your hands properly and make sure all pump parts are clean and assembled correctly. Keeping everything clean is very important for safe milk collection. Next, choose a calm and comfortable place where you can relax. A relaxed body often helps the session feel smoother and easier. Before using the manual pump, some mothers gently massage the area for a short time. This may help support smoother flow during the session. Now place the manual pump correctly and begin pressing the handle slowly and gently. Try not to use very fast movements in the beginning. A slow and steady rhythm usually feels more comfortable and natural. In the beginning, the flow may take a few minutes to start, and that is completely normal. Staying calm and patient can help your body respond more naturally. As you continue practicing, try to find a rhythm that feels comfortable for you. Every mother's routine may feel slightly different. If something feels uncomfortable, pause and adjust the position or pressure. Small changes can improve comfort a lot. After finishing, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container if needed. Finally, clean all pump parts properly and allow them to dry completely before storing them. With regular practice, patience, and a comfortable routine, using a manual pump becomes easier and more natural over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.